When it comes to engine management in motorcycle racing, the name Bazzaz is synonymous with performance. During his 6 years as a race manager at Yoshimura R&D, where he helped 6-time AMA Superbike champion Matt Mladen bring home his first 3 titles, Amar Bazzaz saw the clear and compelling need for better engine management systems at the highest levels of professional motorcycle racing. He created Bazzaz Performance not only to fill this need, but ultimately to bring the technology to every racer and motorcycle enthusiast. And with Tucker Rocky Distributing, Bazzaz Performance is committed to doing just that. The new line of ZFI products offers innovative, state-of-the-art engine management technology that is easy to use at an affordable price. Never before has this level of technology been available to the public. The Bazzaz Performance line of products offers several engine management features. The standard ZFI is a fuel management module capable of individually controlling all 8 fuel injectors with gear-dependent fuel trims. It stores 2 fuel injection maps that can be selected on the fly. Next is the ZFI QS, which adds a quick shifter unit to the features and benefits of the standard ZFI. Gear-dependent cut times can be adjusted and set with the included software to provide smooth, clutchless upshifts. This unit is available for both street or standard shift patterns and race or reverse shift patterns. Finally, Bazzaz Performance offers the ZFI TC unit, which adds traction control to the features and benefits of the ZFI and ZFI QS. The additional features and software of the ZFI TC allow the user to adjust the sensitivity and cut levels of the engine management system with the help of an easy-to-use map. Optional switches add the ability to adjust the system on the fly. The ZFI TC is the only system of its kind on the market today.
Hello, my name is Ron Thibodeau. We're here at Bazzaz Performance in Chino, California, and today we'll be installing a ZFI TC on this 07 GSXR 750. To begin, we remove the seat, the tank, and the airbox. Once we have the necessary components removed, we begin by routing the fuel harness and installing the injector connector on cylinder number 1, the primary injector. Repeat process for injectors 2 through 4. Next, we'll connect to the secondary injectors. We'll connect to the primary TPS. Connect to the crank position sensor, also referred to as RPM. Next, we'll connect to the gear position sensor. Next, we connect the ground lug to a suitable chassis ground. Next, we'll install a supplied scotch lock connector for switched power. The fuel harness installation is now complete. We'll continue by installing the coil harness. Now that the coil harness is routed, connect to the ignition coil. Next, we'll install the shift switch and shift rod. Now that the shift switch is installed, we can connect the shift switch to the coil harness. We'll mount the traction control switch, route the cable, and connect to the fuel and coil harness. Now that all the necessary components are installed, all that's left is to reinstall the tank, seat, and airbox, and then plug in the ZFI TC module. The ZAFM kit includes an air fuel module and a supplied O2 sensor. This system can be utilized by installing the O2 sensor directly on the bike's exhaust or by using a dyno's air pump. By installing the AFM kit with O2 sensor directly into the bike's exhaust, the end user can create and make adjustments to the bike's fuel map to suit varying conditions from track to track. Now that the installation is complete, we can proceed to the dyno and create a custom map for this particular motorcycle.